You want to know how to summarize your chat or your conversation in AgentGPT? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you need to do is you need to have any agent with you created first. So you can just simply select from the left side as well back here, and it should look something like this. And you can simply freshly create it as well. So once created, it should look something like this, and once all of the responses are executed, here you can see click here to summarize the conversation. So you can just simply select summarize right here, that's right beside it. So once that is done, the summarizing will be done and it should be reloaded and your prompt should be given again. And that's it, super simple and easy. Now in order to stop it, you can just simply select stop or pause right here. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and continue to us for more of this videos. See you in the next one.